Sit. Oops. It's too close.
How's it feel back there? How's it feel back there?
How do you know this one? Adjust this.
How's it feel?
Warm. How do you, adjust this one?
Just the two arms, man, just like the other one. That one, and then put the other one. Oh, in the middle. I'll do it.
No, you.
Can you hold this one? Yeah, just move. I'll do it. Give me that. Oh, we got a vacuum in here. It's so dirty back here.
So
Here
cold.
in the middle. You don't need this fan, I know that for sure. Too cold down.
It's too hot to put, babe.
Huh? What?
So much hot now.
Who's that then? There you go. That's the control right there. Cut it down. Stop bothering me about that stuff. Go right there.
It's open. Ready? Ay, naku. It's so cold. Good morning. We are going to get some food now and grocery. We don't have water and eggs and
That's groceries.
some of the groceries. So we decided to go Filipino restaurant
Get
nearby.
some food.
Get some food,
And we'll go.
groceries since we're already out. It's so cold and we don't want to be caught with the snow later this afternoon, maybe 5 p.m. Yeah. Let's go. We are here.
Drug screening, breath alcohol screening, DNA testing.
Let's go, Seth. Ginoo ko kagahi pa rin. Ay, ito mo kayo tayo.
Don't let all the heat out her store.
Hi! Hello, how are you? Kain kami.
Oh, Pluto, you can cook it yourself. Right there in the box.
No, they already got it. Here, steam. Hala, what's this? What's on it, Jai? Ala, Jai. Binignit, babe. Ay, you don't know man that one. Kuha ko na, Jai. Just last night. Mag-order mi og kay wala may kaon. Wa mi naka-grocery.
May sinigang kanina yung... You guys should get grocery. Baka magbad.
Yeah, we'll go after. Ano ba? May
May sinigang kami. Yeah.
okay, sige. Ang get na one. Tapos lechon paksiw. Lechon kawali. What you getting, babe? Grabe, pakatugnaw.
Kailan
Uy.
kaya po siya na
Wala pa karon nagsugod. Nangita pa mi. PG oh.
Lydia?
Oo.
Yeah, sila ang recommend.
Lagi, oo.
Siguro, si Dr. Bell, pediatrician ba na?
See?
Dr. Bell, Filipino.
Ah, mana dapit.
Naa sa Heartland.
Ah, ako na-search.
Yeah, Bell.
Pedia na siya?
Yeah, pediatrician.
Ah, sige.
Yeah.
Bae?
Oo, magay. Bisaya.
Okay kayo.
Yeah, mga ganun. Parang influencer na friend mo sa Facebook. Nakalaman sir.
Dr. Vet? Ang nasa yung Facebook?
Christy.
Bill Kirsty.
Kita naman.
Yeah. And then chicken curry.
Ah. Yeah, mamacitas. Pork. May binignit. Mango. This is their food. Ito yung mga bago nyo, no? Coke. May Coke?
Pepsi product.
Ah, Pepsi.
How about you, sir? What's your drink? It comes with it.
They got 7-Up, babe.
Orange soda?
Ha?
You have orange soda?
It's a Pepsi
Mountain Dew,
product.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. Alright, visited man, sir.
Thank you. This is nice. Wow. Love Valentine's. Look at the chairs and tables. It's really nicey. You can probably open it up a little, yeah.
You sit back in there.
Please. Please.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna like it.
He'll give it to me. Eat. 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 Yeah, you go deep and eat. Come on. You go eat na. Eat na. back home, guys. We had the food there.
Oh yeah, stuff.
Check it out. We bring home.
That's it from you today.
Seth? Yee. So we were gonna unload the truck from yesterday. Can we have it unload yet?
No, because it's getting cold.
Let's go. Too cold. Oh, yeah. I'm wearing gloves, guys. Okay, it's really cold outside. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Super cold outside. You are gonna unload the car. It's too much stuff.
Well, they got it packed in here, huh?
Oh my god. You sure about that?
Jeez. Yo.
Very cold.
That's not right, man. That's not right, man. It was cold like that.
This is great. This needs laundry.
I need to open that vent. Let that heat come out of there.
That's open. That's open.
Is that all the way open? Don't look like it.
Oh, not all the way.
Freezing out there. Ooh, it's 15 degrees. That's why it dropped.
Huh?
It dropped. The thermometer. There's the 20. It's 15.
Oh,
No, I lied. It's 10.
you can see it there.
It's 10. It's 10 degrees.
Yes, it was now lagi later.
It's 10 degrees right now.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. Let me see. Then move that so we can see it better.
This is the temperature, guys.
Oh my God, babe. It's like 10 degrees.
Right now?
10 degrees.
That's why it's so cold.
10 degrees right now. That's why it's so cold. It's like it wasn't this cold earlier.
Oh, so that's your temperature there?
Yeah, it's my mom, and then the clock's on the other side.
The other side
Yeah,
clock.
the other side's the clock. Yo, it's 10 degrees.
Degrees, guys. It's so cold. We don't want to take off our pajamas.
But we got enough stuff to keep us busy in the house, though.
Yeah.
That's for damn sure. I'm working in the garage today. I got to get a car in there, man. We freezing, man. Because we were so much better when we had a car in there. You know?
Don't worry. We don't have to worry.
No, we had to worry about freezing, you know? We were so much more comfortable. We can unload in peace.
Mm-hmm.
We can load the car.
We don't rush.
We don't have to rush and freeze. We were so much better. I gotta clear one. I'm gonna try to clear a spot today. That's my goal tonight. See if I can get the Cadillac, the black Cadillac in there.
Laundry.
The black Cadillac in there tonight.
Gumpot kayo, guys.
Yo, if you don't like cold, don't move to Chicago. I'm telling you. If you don't deal with cold, don't come to Chicago, Illinois. Don't do it. It's cold. 1 minute you think snow is done,
It's still the
it
same.
comes back. Where's the phone holder?
I don't know.
Can you get it?
Laundry. Put it in front of this. And laundry.
We got plenty of coats. It's good.
Look at Mikey's stuff. Where do you use this one, babe?
Tell you what, we got this.
Mikey got nice footwears here.
I can't wear it because my foot will freeze. That's summertime shoes.
Yeah. Need some more boxes.
They're on the way. Hopefully they'll be here tomorrow.
This is the drawing that I draw.
Ah, that's your
The eyes is
the paper bag. Ah, you made that one. Wow, what's in there?
well, let's go see it in the living room.
Okay.
Well, I need to take my stuff out because my neck is so
Itchy?
funny.
Sige.
Uh,
Your background looks messy.
this is from Raylan.
Huh?
This is from Raylan.
Okay. Excuse me, Loy.
Oh, I don't want to open it.
Show it lang. See what's in here.
It says Keystone.
Ah, you get this. I guess you guys have the same pencils, huh?
Yeah.
Happy friend to friend. Have a jolly Valentine's Day, Raylan.
But there's some glasses inside.
You get the sunglasses. You can try that one.
No, I don't open it.
Okay.
And this one. I don't know who's this from. Yeah, I don't know who's this from. Like candy.
Candies,
And chips.
chips,
And a bracelet. This is the one that I showed you. The paper.
Fritzy, Mrs. Sloan from Fate. Ah, this is the one you made? Wala, nice lagi.
And Tinsley, a sticker.
Tinsley, a sticker. Wow.
And juice and snack. I don't know what that's from.
A heart juice.
And
Juice.
this is.
Oh, you got a lot. Ay,
This is from Riley.
Riley.
Inside.
A sticker too. Ah, their dog. That's their dog.
Oh, really? Oh, it's their dog. She has a dog. I don't know what's
So she's go up. You wanna go up?
Look at it. Look, come on, come on. Look. Hey, dog. It's a dog. Look. Okay, look, look. Wow. Wow.
What's that?
It's a dog.
Wow, it's a dog.
That was from
How can no?
And this is from Cameron.
Cameron, what's that? Happy Valentine's.
He's black. Oh, sorry. And it's also like soda.
From Mason?
Mason.
Mason? Okay.
Yes.
That's the sound of dog?
This is from Troy.
Huh?
Joy. I don't know what's inside.
There's a surprise with that. Open gani.
How do you open it? Oh, here. Oh, is this slime?
No.
Yes, it is.
Dili lagi. It's abo.
You can open
What's the sound that?
it. It might
What's the sound of the dog?
be like something.
Is that it? Or ow, ow.
And this, yeah, and this one, there's a bubble, and maybe that's an eraser at the bottom.
Yeah, eraser. Ah.
And oh my god, this is squishy. This is from Owen.
Mm.
That's Maren's brother. They born in 3 minutes. That's when. Oh what? I didn't notice that.
When it burst? Ah, you just have to. You take out one of this one. I like this one.
It's like a toy dog.
Mhm.
Oh, let's take it off first. Yeah, open it. Okay, mother.
And then open it.
And this is from Kaya. Oh, here.
To Trixie, to Kaya.
And here. I don't know who this one is from, but. Here, here. There. That's
Oh,
from Valentine's Day.
maybe inside. It's inside.
Yeah, I don't know who's supposed to be. Oh, this is from Layton.
Mm.
And this one is from Scarlet.
Mhm.
And I don't know what this one is from. I think. And another sticker. And it's from Mia. This is squishy.
Yeah.
And this one is from Charlie.
Mm.
She's absent today. She's always absent. And this one gives a this new paper. And this is from Cohen. It says bra.
Bro.
It says bra.
Mm.
And this is from Maren.
Mm.
This is from Emery.
Nice.
This is from Bryson.
Mhm.
I don't know what's inside, but it's something.
Okay.
And this one, let it say
Lollipop.
anything.
Yeah.
I think that's it. And yeah.
That's it.
Daddy, look what I got from Valentine's Day. Look what I got in Valentine's Day.
He's ready to go, babe. Ah! Ah!
Okay, let me put my
Can you wait for me? Let me put this back.
Okay, let's go. Come on, son. Where's the shoes? Son, come on.
Huh? It can't even.
Come here. How much more the rest from her bag? How much more the rest they will get bag from Trixie?
A lot.
Diba? All of the classmates get the bag.
And look ang lollipop.
Isa pa rin sa
Hulog ang lollipop, guys. Guys, nahulog ang lollipop. Ew. 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 Yeah, I'm all ready.
Oh.
Wait, okay na yung sapatos, me?
Hmm?
Okay na yung my shoes?
Hmm.
I don't need to change my shoes. My gloves is inside my bag. Let's go. This is the bag that I got from me. This is my drawing. And this is my drawing with my name. Mommy, look. Mommy, Daddy, look. Look. This is the drawing that I made. And I wrote my name Rainbow.
Daddy, mommy, look, look. Let's go, guys.
Go.
The snow started already.
I did it hard.
It just started, look.
Oh, what, really?
Look.
Yay.
Eh.
Can you play the snow?
Huh? Sad, come back.
Can you play with the snow?
No. Let's go.
Just for a little bit.
No, let's go. Look at Seth. Let's go, Seth. Go inside. Here. Tinawang snow na kuan na sa. I-buckle up sa siya, please. Ako na lang.
Ano ba sa? Yo.
Hey!
It's snowing. Snowing hard. Look at that. My God, it's
Need to get the handicap. Okay. so that we can park close. Woo! DVD. Alright. This cold is not a joke. I should get my gloves off. Right, guys? Let's go!
I'm gonna rest my feet.
Rest your feet.
See,
We are here at Walmart now.
Hey, what do you mean in the Walmart?
I'll get some grocery.
Oh, grocery, yes! Oh, I can get some line of my
Hui! It's just...
Why is it on?
Let's just get the cart inside because the cart here is too cold.
Why is that on?
What was that?
Yes,
Get your car out. Come on, jump.
snowing. Oh, birds come out when it snows? I didn't know that.
La. Ah! Ayan sila. Ah!
They're hungry.
They eat snow?
They're looking for food.
Come on, guys.
Cross over.
You know, go. Let's go, babe. Is always happy going outside. Oh my god, baby, it's so freezing. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's so cold.
Highway.
Ah,
I walk into the
ah. Huh? It's so cold now. Oh, you be careful, ha, kay it's slippery.
Slippery?
Yeah. You won't.
My footsteps. Look, my footsteps. My footsteps.
Katugno. Go. Come on. Oh, go, 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 go. Hey, go.
It's okay. You're inside. It's warming. It's warming up already in here. This one warms up really fast. That's why I like driving this one.
Nice.
You clicked in? Huh?
Oh,
Sit down.
it's really cool.
Shit, look at that.
I'm eating my candy.
Oh my god.
Let's go home, man. Let's go home.
Even the back camera is cold.
No, I can see. It's okay. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Oh, we're going back home now, guys. It's really cold. The snow just started.
Mom,
Oh,
what if I'll bring a snow in the Philippines?
I'll die. I'll think a flood kills y'all. Typhoon kill y'all. It's fucking cold. Y'all will die. Ain't nobody got no hot clothes, no winter clothes over there. Y'all wear flip-flops and shit. Y'all will die. Nobody got sneakers. Y'all will die. That quick, man. I've only been in there, what,
yeah.
40, 35, 40 minutes?
It's so quick.
Sneak overnight, man. Let's go back in our house.
We need some gloves on. You get your gloves on, babe, before we unload the car. Because it's freezing. Our hands is freezing. Fritzy, we got some food. Where's the food?
Kitchen. Fix her some food.
We got Filipino food in the kitchen. Nailitsyon kawali dito. You said you want a Filipino food. Super cold, guys. My god, it's freezing my hands. What's the temperature right now?
I'm afraid to look.
But we are close.
It's close to negative now.
It's close to negative.
The temperature.
Go, babe. Hey! Go, babe. Hello, guys. Good evening. Right now, time check. Let me check the timer. It's 10:21 right now, 10:21 p.m. And lately, from the grocery, we went grocery when we got home, and I tried to put the grocery in the kitchen. I heard a song. I just remember a song that usually my uncle sing it. So my uncle has already died 2 years ago, and we still remember him because he's one of our uncles that we learn a lot from him. That vibe that he can be your uncle, at the same time he can be also your friend. That's him. And he's the one who also pushing us to do singing and do karaoke. So he always have that karaoke stuff for us, so that whenever we go to their house we can do karaoke. And he is so happy when we do that, because that's his vibe, and that's what he wants us, that we keep singing. He's the younger brother to my mama. He died with a motorcycle accident. He's too young, but you will never know how long you're gonna live here in the world. But it's just so sad what happened to him. So yeah, and I remember the song. I played it in I played it in the kitchen, and it's just suddenly I just crying, and I messaged my cousins, share my emotions, and they were also so emotional. Dwayne was like, "What's wrong with you?" I said, "I just miss my ankle so bad, just so bad," and I was crying so hard. That's why I stopped recording it. But anyways, now I'm okay. I've expressed it already, so that's a good thing that you have a husband and you have somebody that you can talk with whenever you are sad, or whenever you remember somebody. But anyways, at this time, I want to show you what's outside. So here we go. Ooh, look at that. I've never seen a snow sparkled like that. Oh my goodness, it's sparkling. You see that one? We're having a snowstorm now, and all our outside is white. If you can see our table, that's a kind of like we'll see 2 to 3 inches now of snow, and everything is snow, covered with snow. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. And it's still snowing, so we will see how thick it's gonna be tomorrow. And the roadway is so slick. I hope everybody is safe. The car is covered with snow now. Look at the other one. Oh my goodness. So stay warm, everyone. Keep safe. There's no school tomorrow, so we're gonna stay home too. And that's the temperature right now. Oh my goodness. Well, maybe I hope we can go out sometime tomorrow, and how maybe this will be the last snow. We don't know, but I want to have some formal pictures with the snow, so I can put it in the frame and put it in the wall. And that's a remembrance for us. This is the first winter here in US. I just can't believe this snow is sparkling. Sparkling, guys. It's so amazing. But sometimes it's amazing, but at the same time it's scary, because it caused a lot of trouble. It caused a lot of accidents, blackouts, no work, no school. So stay safe, everyone. Thank you for watching. I think this will be the end for today. This will be as of today. Good night and stay warm. Bye bye.